Hi lovelies, let's prepare this apple cake that melts in your mouth. Absolutely delicious. Start by preheating your oven to 180 degrees centigrade. For this recipe, I am using 4 apples. Peel. Thank you to all my subscribers. And if you're new here, please join the family. We share lots of yummy recipes made with love. And cut into small chunks like so. The list of ingredients, including measurements, is in the description bar below. Once ready, add brown sugar, ground cinnamon, and mix together. Set it aside. Now to a bowl, add brown sugar, melted butter, vanilla extract, and any neutral oil. Add milk, eggs, and mix together until well combined. Now all our wet ingredients are ready. For dry ingredients, we are using all-purpose flour, sieve to remove any lumps, add baking powder and baking soda. Also mix together until well combined. Now to a well-greased baking pan, pour half of the batter, then pour half of the apple mix. Pour the remaining cake batter and top it with the remaining apple mix. Bake in the preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade for around 30 to 40 minutes or until an inserted toothpick in the middle comes out dry. Once the cake is ready, allow to rest in the pan for around 10 minutes. Remove from the pan and then transfer onto a baking rack and allow to cool completely. And enjoy! Thank you so much for watching the video if you've watched until this point. And until next time, remain blessed.